Golden State Water is finally here. They're excavating right now, drilling down to the main water line. From there, we'll be branching off and bringing water to the brewery building and to the bistro building. That water is used for washing your hands, the restrooms, of course, for making beer. And so this work should be about 3 days, and then we'll be ready to open. The water company is done, they've patched Pine Avenue, and what we're doing now is trenching and testing out our fire line.
Now that our backflow device is set, we're ready for inspection. We need this gauge to hold 200 pounds of pressure for at least 2 hours, and then we'll be good to go and ready to backfill.
In order for any new business to open, you need to get a C of O, which basically is a certificate of occupancy. In order to get that, you gotta have water going to the fire sprinklers inside the building. That is what we're doing now. It's been 2 hours, the pressure held, and we passed inspection, which means now we can apply for the certificate of occupancy and get this brewery open. Special thanks to Delta Fire Protection for all their hard work.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Mora, and I'll be the tasting room manager here at Border X Brewing in Bell. We're going to be having our grand opening March 2nd here at Border X Brewing. We've hired 8 to 10 beer tenders to be assisting us here behind the bar, and we're super excited because they're actually all from the local area here around Bell. We still have plenty of cleaning to do, so we're going to be very busy this week with multiple tasks to get this place ready, up and running for all of you to see. And as soon as you come into the tasting room, you'll notice when you sit down on the tables here that all of the edges of the table are actually hand painted by a few local artists from Southeast LA. So we'll see you on March 2nd. Definitely say hello. We'll be here waiting for you.